In the vast expanse of professional landscapes, dreamers stand at the precipice, eager to traverse the horizons ahead. These horizons, characterized by the allure of influential circles, often seem like fortified castles with their bridges drawn and gates sealed. Today, we begin a journey to debunk the myth of the impenetrable fortress, uncovering the truth behind the unseen barriers. The real challenge lies not in the strength of these walls, but in discovering the gateway. Networking, often misconceived as luck, actually hinges on strategic placement in the right environments. Exclusive events serve as beacons, guiding ventures to safe harbors where futures are crafted and destinies aligned. Let's explore how these gatherings are not just meetings. Within the kaleidoscope of professional gatherings, it's the exclusive events that shine the brightest. More than social engagements, they're transformative arenas where ambition aligns with opportunity. These gatherings open doors to influential circles, echelons where decisions are made, partnerships are formed, and careers take flight. Beyond merely being in the room, it's about integrating into a dynamic network that shapes our world. The real question is why these events are pivotal to networking success. The answer lies in the quality of connections made, where each interaction can be the key to a monumental breakthrough. Through the success stories of entrepreneurs and professionals alike, we witness the power of being at the right place with the right mindset. These stories are not anomalies, but confirmations of how access and interaction at such events offer unparalleled value. As we delve deeper, the significance of preparation emerges, highlighting its role not just in attendance, but in ensuring each opportunity is maximized. Navigating the pathway from understanding to action, preparation emerges as the next vital step in our quest. It's an art form where personal branding and strategic networking tailor the key that unlocks doors of opportunity. Preparation transcends mere attendance, focusing on cultivating meaningful connections. It also involves overcoming self-imposed barriers, including social anxieties, through internal fortitude and rehearsed interactions, acknowledging our shared quest for connection. The forthcoming strategies will be showcased in real-world scenarios, illustrating how preparation transforms into opportunity, emboldening your journey into influential realms. The journey into influential circles starts now. Embrace exclusive events as gateways to growth and opportunity. From meetings to crucibles of fate, these gatherings define the trajectory of futures and the shaping of destinies. With the transformative power of networking unveiled, your next steps are critical. Move forward, knowing every interaction may lead to new avenues. Let this mark your leap into the unknown, poised with confidence. In the confluence of opportunity and preparation, you'll find your key to potential. It all starts with one step. Are you ready to take it?